Hello, today I'm going to show you how to register for an RBdigital account. First, let's go to the library's website, frrls.net. On the library's website, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the red and white RBdigital icon. Now, click Register in the upper right-hand corner. Here you will need to create your own username and password, input your library card number, and your information, including your name, email address, and postal code. Choose your home library from the drop-down menu, accept the terms of service, and click Register. Now that you've created your account, you can browse audiobooks, magazines, and ebooks. To search for items, click on the magnifying glass in the upper right-hand corner. You can limit your search by audiobooks, magazines, or ebooks. To find your account, look in the upper left-hand corner. Here you can find the items you have checked out or review your account settings. You can also log out from here. To check out an item, click on the item, then click the large red Checkout button. Some items may not be available for checkout. These you can place on hold. You will receive an email notification when the item becomes available. You can also use RBdigital on your phone or tablet. Go to the app or Play Store on your device and search for RBdigital. You'll see the same red and white logo as on the website. Once the item has downloaded, click Open. Now you can log in using the username and password that you created.